Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can use chat feature in Dragonheir Silent Gods. So I made this video is for a beginner that new into this game. I want to show you how you can use a chat feature, like a private chat your friends. You can do it in here. So first go to the camp and use this. At the bottom, the corner, you can tap this chat icon. So this is the chat room. This is the global, this is the your server, and this is your friend. You can also claim the rewards. I already claimed this. This is the lost item received. Like you can get the dice also from here. And also you can tap the private chat your friend. This is my friend. You can select your friend to text him. And also you can tap this server or global, for example, and make the channel like this, or search the channel ID. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. As always, next part below. Enjoy the game.